I keep talking about the Mantis breaking down. Well, there it is. And one of the things we're going to do today is try to get it by a repair shop while we're out doing what needs to be done, because it's going to be a long, busy day of errands. That was TheLowCashHomestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Alright, so we're making a new salad bowl right next to this salad bowl. See how the plastic drapes a little bit? I'm not happy with that. That's why I changed the support design. We're going to see if that works better. Let's go with the new salad bowl. Again, PET, or sometimes PETE. Recycle icon number 1. Your soda comes in it, your water comes in it. Pretty much any liquid that you buy is going to come in that bottle. So if we can drink out of it, we can grow food in it. Alright, this time we put palm pebbles in the bottom. I think there's more gravel in the bottom of this one than there is in the first one. But I found this bag of palm pebbles while I was cleaning stuff out. As I mentioned, we have a big dumpster at the top of the driveway. So while I was cleaning stuff, I found this bag of palm pebbles. I said, okay, I'm going to use that. Next, we're going to fill it.
Can I try?
Yeah, okay. Alright, so pool's filled. It's not as mixed as I want it. I'm going to give it another try with this thing. I don't think it'll shred the bottom. I don't think it's even going to go that deep. So we're going to give that a try here. Alright, we stirred that up. I'm going to try to show you what this is actually used for. So there's some weeds right there, right? So you take this, and let me see if I can do it one-handed. And you can feel it biting down in the ground. And it just shreds the weeds. So in this aspect, I think it works pretty good so far. Looks like it's shredding the weeds up good. Let's see. Yeah, we got some mud on there, but it's been raining for a long time. We got some weeds inside the fork, and these were just shredded right on out of there. So, as a weeder, that's what they advertise it as like a cultivator weeder. Yeah, so far. We'll put some more test on it. Let's get back to the salad bowl. Okay, it's full. Any guess what we're going to put in here? Spinach! We're going to do more spinach. I like doing spinach because, one, I got spinach growing in the cheapo greenhouse. I'll show you that later. I've showed it to you before, but I'll show you that later. And man, it is so good. And the other thing is, no one in our local markets has spinach. And this will be ready by market time. No problem. So I'm going to do, and I got enough material, minus the little 45-degree elbows, to make a third salad bowl. And we will probably do that. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is the Bloomsdale Longstanding. Remember before I put 8 packages in that one? So I'm going to put 4 of these and 2 of the Fairy Morris, because you get more in the Fairy Morris, although it's the same company. Katie, honey, Daddy's going to seed that now. Can you leave it alone? Okay, so we're going to seed this in spinach, and then I'll show you how the redesigned top works. Let's talk about the cover. The cover is 1/2-inch PVC conduit. Basically, you just take the circumference and divide that in half. Circumference. Okay, so in this case, it's 54 inches. And then 54 inches split in half, 54 inches split in half. Then you put some 45s on it, and I use some 6-inch pieces, cut it 45 degrees on one end to stab them into the ground. So let's go put this thing together, and we'll see if it works. Yeah, bud. Well, yeah, you probably hear cows. Okay, so this was a little harder to put in than I thought, and what I didn't count on, 1, I didn't glue it together, and 2, what I didn't count on was being that you had to force this center down as you go, and that at that distance I wasn't going to get, I also discovered that I wasn't going to get as much dome as I originally projected I would with those lengths. But I think this is going to work fine. We're going to cover it with plastic, see how she holds up. Okay, so here's the next salad bowl. Couple of design considerations. I will probably make the struts, both across and up and down the 4 struts. I will probably make them a little bit longer, and that's basically just because it was difficult to get it to stay in the ground, and I really had to like push the spikes in while pushing the center. And so we're not going to wrap this one. I'm going to leave it pulled out like this. We might put a couple more weights around it, but the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to solarize the ground underneath, which is basically just bake it and bake everything out of it. All right, so that's solid vol version, I guess it's 2.0, and we're growing Bloomsdale long-standing spinach in that, which is also what we're going in there. And if I have enough parts, I'm going to rebuild the top on that one as well. I got one more of these little pools, so I know we can do 3. I'll need some more of those 45s to make the spikes, and we're going to adjust the length on our struts as well. Oh, we don't need any more plastic, buddy. We're going to save this plastic for the next project. Okay? This is Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. There's another solid bowl. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
I'll put an X on that one.
Well, I put the X on this one because I wasn't happy with the way that one turned out, and I wanted the plastic to spread out more and give it more room. And if it's a bubble, then it's more like the shape of the earth, which helps it collect sun. Okay?
I'm hot.
Hey, have a good day, guys. We're gonna do our last salad bowl, and I have our new cover here. And so basically, we glued this one together. So we got a PVC cross there, and then it's 66 inches from that white 45 to that white 45. So you can take your 1/2-inch PVC and cut 66-inch pieces, and then cut those in half for 33 inches out of each leg, and then your 45 there, and then that's a 6-inch piece with a spike on it. This one worked, but I didn't have quite enough clearance on it, so I decided to make the pieces a little bit longer. We're going to stab all that together down in the ground and see how well it works, and then I will show you once we have the salad bowl cover on, or once we have the support structure for the salad bowl cover for this particular yellow salad bowl. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we have the strut structure for our next salad bowl installed. Again, 66 inches from tip to tip on the struts, and then you'll add your 45 and your 6-inch piece. But it's 66 inches end to end, so it's 33 to the center. And that is based on these little $5 Wally World wading pools, okay, because they are 36 inches around, I believe. Use caution when you put these in. Never, 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 ever, ever have one leg on either side of the strut. In the process of putting in, sometimes one leg can pop out, and that would be like a spring, whop, right into your junk, and you don't want that, because whether you're male or female, we've all got junk. So now that we got that on there, we're gonna put the plastic on. All right, we got the cover on the salad bowl. Let's reiterate something here. First, never stand with your legs over the strut. Stand next to the strut, okay? You don't want to hurt your junk. And second, this is one roll of 1 mil, 10 foot by 20 foot poly. Did all 3 of these beds. So for $2, I was able to protect 3 different beds with just this one roll. This is Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. Now we're going to cover up our carrot beds.